I'm going to show you how to install an EnviroLux 90-watt retrofit kit for a flood. It'll come all pre-wired up with the disconnects. You take your mounting plate, you screw your mounting plate in, and you take your driver, and it goes on the mount. Tighten that down. You got another 832 by quarter, tighten that down. And you'll run your disconnect wires through the housing and connect the ground. And then you'll take your light engine on the heatsink, put it in the housing. You got two 832 by quarters that go in the top slotted holes. Then you got 832 by 3/8 with a grommet that go in the lower slotted holes. And then you just connect your driver and heatsink.